Could 12 hours be the magic number? Have you ever wondered if you could reap the benefits of fasting without the strictness of prolonged periods without food? Many people find that incorporating a simple 12-hour fast into their daily routine can lead to noticeable improvements in their health and well-being. In this essay, I'll walk you through my personal experience with 12-hour intermittent fasting and provide you with a detailed look at what I eat in a day. Demystifying 12-hour intermittent fasting. 12-hour intermittent fasting is a simple concept. You abstain from consuming calories for 12 hours each day and consume all your meals and snacks within the remaining 12-hour window. This approach offers a gentle introduction to the world of fasting, making it an excellent option for beginners. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity. You're not drastically altering your eating habits, but rather strategically timing your meals to optimize your body's natural processes. Why I choose 12-hour fasting. While longer fasting periods, such as the popular 16-8 method, have gained significant traction, I've found that the 12-hour fast strikes the perfect balance for me. It aligns seamlessly with my daily routine, allowing me to experience the benefits of fasting without feeling restricted. This sustainable approach has become an integral part of my lifestyle, and I'm confident that it can be easily adopted by others seeking a balanced and achievable path to improved health. My 12-hour fasting plate. A glimpse into my day. Let's delve into the specifics of my 12-hour fasting routine. I typically fast from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m., aligning my fasting window with my sleep schedule. This means I finish my dinner by 7 p.m. and break my fast with breakfast at 7 a.m. the next morning. This schedule allows me to fast effortlessly during the night, making the process feel natural and manageable. During my fasting window, staying hydrated is paramount. I prioritize drinking plenty of water throughout the day, and I often incorporate herbal teas or black coffee into my routine. These beverages not only keep me hydrated but also provide a gentle energy boost without breaking my fast. Fueling my body. What I eat. Eating well is not just about filling my stomach, it's about fueling my body with the right nutrients to keep me energized and healthy. Every meal I consume is a step towards a better, more vibrant me. Now let's talk about the exciting part. What I eat during my 12-hour eating window. This window allows me to enjoy a variety of meals and snacks that keep me satisfied and nourished throughout the day. My focus is on consuming nutrient-dense whole foods that nourish my body and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Fresh vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains are the cornerstones of my diet. Here's a glimpse into my typical meal plan. I believe in planning my meals ahead of time to ensure I stay on track and make healthy choices. This way, I avoid the temptation of unhealthy snacks and fast food. Breakfast at 7 a.m. I kickstart my day with a hearty and nutritious breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day, setting the tone for how I feel and perform. My go-to options include a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. This combination provides a perfect balance of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats, or scrambled eggs with a side of avocado toast. The eggs give me a protein boost, while the avocado provides healthy fats that keep me full and satisfied. Lunch at 12 p.m. For lunch, I prioritize balance and flavor. It's essential to have a meal that is both nutritious and enjoyable, so I look forward to it every day. A large salad with grilled chicken or fish, quinoa or brown rice, and plenty of colorful vegetables is a staple in my diet. This meal is packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, keeping me energized for the rest of the day. Snacks at 3 p.m. If I feel a bit peckish in the afternoon, I make sure to have healthy snacks on hand. This helps me avoid unhealthy cravings and keeps my energy levels stable. I reach for healthy snacks like a handful of almonds, a piece of fruit, or some carrot sticks. These snacks are not only nutritious but also convenient and easy to carry around, or a small serving of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics, which are great for digestion and overall health. Dinner at 6 p.m. I prioritize a lighter yet satisfying dinner to avoid feeling overly full before bed. A light dinner helps me sleep better and wake up feeling refreshed. Grilled salmon with roasted vegetables, a lentil soup, or a chicken stir-fry are among my favorites. These meals are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support my overall health. I always make sure to include a variety of vegetables in my dinner to get a range of vitamins and minerals. This way, I end my day on a healthy note, feeling satisfied and nourished. 12-hour fasting tips for success. Intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for improving your health and well-being, but like any lifestyle change, it requires some thoughtful planning and consideration. Here are a few additional tips that I've found helpful in maximizing the benefits of 12-hour intermittent fasting. First, it's important to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help you manage hunger and keep your body functioning optimally. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your hunger cues and adjust your fasting window as needed. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. If you find yourself feeling excessively hungry or fatigued, it might be a sign that you need to adjust your fasting schedule. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your body's natural repair and rejuvenation processes. Good sleep is crucial for overall health and can make fasting easier by regulating your hunger hormones. Manage stress. Engage in stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Chronic stress can negatively impact your health and make fasting more challenging. Finding ways to relax and unwind can help you stick to your fasting routine more easily. Stay active. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine, finding activities you enjoy and that fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Exercise can help you maintain a healthy weight, improve your mood, and boost your energy levels. Whether it's jogging in the park, doing a home workout, or joining a group fitness class, staying active is key to a successful fasting regimen. Remember, the goal is to create a sustainable and enjoyable routine that supports your overall health and well-being. My 12-hour fasting journey: small changes, big results. Since incorporating 12-hour intermittent fasting into my lifestyle, I've experienced several noticeable benefits, including improved energy levels throughout the day, better sleep quality, and even some weight management. Beyond these physical improvements, I've also noticed a greater sense of mental clarity and focus. Feeling my best both physically and mentally motivates me to continue making this a sustainable part of my life. Ready to give 12-hour fasting a try? If you're intrigued by the potential benefits of 12-hour intermittent fasting, I encourage you to give it a try. This method involves fasting for 12 hours and eating during the remaining 12 hours of the day. It's a simple and effective way to manage your eating habits without feeling overly restricted. Start by gradually adjusting your eating window. For instance, if you usually eat breakfast at 8 a.m. and dinner at 8 p.m., try shifting your dinner to 7 p.m. and then to 6 p.m. over a few days. This gradual change can help your body adapt more easily. Pay close attention to how your body responds. Notice any changes in your energy levels, mood, and overall well-being. Some people find that they have more energy and mental clarity during their fasting periods, while others may need more time to adjust. Always consult with your doctor before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Your doctor can provide personalized advice and ensure that intermittent fasting is safe for you. This is particularly important if you are taking medications or have conditions like diabetes, as fasting can affect blood sugar levels and other health markers. Remember, the journey to better health is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making small, sustainable changes that you can maintain over the long term. Intermittent fasting is just one tool in your health and wellness toolkit. Choose sustainable habits that you can maintain over time and enjoy the journey. Incorporate healthy, balanced meals during your eating window, stay hydrated, and listen to your body's needs. With patience and consistency, you can achieve your health goals and feel your best.